This is the Mae Wan Family Elephant Sanctuary, I believe. I'll put a link in the description. Right now, we are getting ready to feed the elephants, and then we're going down to the water with them. Babon!
You have to lift up your other hand to image them. That's why
I believe he said this one's 36 years old, and they live longer than humans, over 100. Oh shit.
Imagine me just stomping on the dog.
this entry is like a boss battle.
Yeah.
Hey, friendo.
It's like, are you gonna eat first?
Get it?
Rice, the big cover, empty from elephant. Right, the one human, yeah, people will be eating.
Oh, I video and pictures.
So, and you have to smash it. Rice, banana, sugar cane. Today get very hot early, but normally this time winter. Look at picture, my friend. Make vitamin from elephant.
The chickens getting the scraps.
Yes. Okay, good job. I think ready, done. So after that, we have to make it like this. Make ball. Open your mouth. I'll give you food.
Bun! Bun! Look at the chickens just trying to get every little scrap. He don't even care about people. He's like, drop some more food.
Yeah.
The other one. Bun! Bun! Oh. Unfortunately, I wasn't recording, but the elephant that was laying down, when I was standing behind him, he kicked his foot back and just covered me in a huge wave of mud. I'm pretty dirty myself, so I'm gonna have to put the camera down and try to take care of this.
Oh, now again they put it.
It's like my size.
2 years old.
That's 2 years
Yeah,
old.
boy, you see, boy, the tusk.
Oh, yeah, little
Oh,
tusks, yeah.
the tusk.
Little
But
2-year-old.
They grow longer.
Should I hold it for you?
Yeah, you just point it this direction.
Your friend's scared.
Wait. How do I do this? Why is it? Is it this way?
Yeah, that's good.
Okay.
Come here.
Oh my God, you're so cute. You are so tiny. Look at you. Oh my God, you're so tiny. They got the baby doggy and the baby elephant.
Thank you.
He bows.
Thank you. Bye
Thank
bye.
you. Bye bye.
One. Yeah.
Thank you.
So we just got done rafting. It was pretty cool. Went down some decent rapids considering it was like a 7 bamboo pole wide raft. I don't know if there's any I can see. Well, if you can get a judge from the earlier video seeing the people go down, it's actually pretty narrow. So some of those rapids were impressive for the size of it. You can see somebody else going down. So now I'm back up at the truck where we had our stuff. Got my camera. We're gonna have some lunch that they're setting up now. So I want you guys to see everything. So we're up in the hills. And this is the bathroom. There is no back to the toilet because there is no water. You have a bucket and a thing and a tub full of water that you pour in there to flush. There you go. Like straight up. So we're getting dropped off at the top to start our trek now. We lost some of the people. They're on a 2-day trek. They went off in a different spot.
People.
We lost a couple along the way.
There were some casualties.
These are the survivors.
Don't worry, we marked the site. This is for the elephants? Elephants and the buffalo. So they finished harvesting the rice and now you let the cows eat the rest? Yeah?
They eat the raft and start to up. Very friendly, yeah. You can touch.
bamboo for making the house. They're drying it for the siding. So we just hiked up to a little piece of heaven up here where we are gonna chill out for a bit. They have a small amount of snacks and drinks for everybody, and we're gonna get in and cool off because we've just been hiking for like, actually I'm not even sure, maybe an hour and a half.
See if I can get around to the back.
Oh, nope. Oh, so we made it to the second spot, and the battery's gonna die soon, so I might switch over to my phone. And I was talking to the guide earlier, and I want you to look at this tree right here. And they stuck out to me. I thought it was really interesting. Do you notice how tall and straight it is? And it doesn't branch out until the very top, almost like a palm tree. And I thought that was interesting. And he told me that they'll use one of those trees to build an entire house. And that's not hard to imagine because they get wicked tall, and then the base of them is pretty wide around on some of the big ones. It would definitely have a lot of wood, and they're so straight. It's like telephone pole straight all the way up to the top. Coming to Asia is a once-in-a-lifetime thing. Freezing my ass off in a waterfall, I could do back at the States. So this whole trip, the guide's been whittling down bamboo and stringing it together, and it turns out he made us all bamboo rings for souvenirs. Now we're leaving our private beach here in this little hollow little empty section of the woods.
Oh, yeah. We're married.
Yeah, see?
Whoa. Wait, yours is a cooler design.
Yours is so big.
Yeah.
He had to find a big one because of my fat fingers.
Okay, smash. Big muscle will be strong. Okay, yeah, like that. Good job. Oh, you can come to be the farmer here, my friend. Yeah. Next one, new one, new one. Throw away.
Do it you.
Yeah, leave down there. They keep for buffalo. Cow, they will eat it. Okay. More. Okay, yeah, like that. Good job.
Oh.
It's really good.
Yeah.
He was
Look.
waiting for this door.
Oh, keep going. It's your turn.
Yeah, and then check in.
Shake it,
No,
shake
yeah,
it.
shake it
Shake
after.
it.
There you go.
Smack it, smack it. Shake it, shake it.
Can stay for a few days and help.
So we were walking by and the guy was hand harvesting the rice. It was dried and they were at the beating phase, and our guide said, yeah, I was asking him about it and he asked me if I wanted to go down and try it. I was like, absolutely. This is the kind of stuff I came here to do. So that was really cool. There's a lot of rice. The guy that is touring us says that's what he does every day. And see, these are the trees I was talking about earlier. It's pretty neat. They all definitely stand out. So I just got done with the trek. It was a long day. Met a lot of nice people. There's probably like a total of 15 people from start to finish, because some left for a 2-day trek and we picked some up on the way back. But it was really cool because everybody was wicked nice and chatty, and I was only one of 2 people from America, which was really interesting. I expected to see a lot more Americans. I don't know why, something I thought I would see a lot more of. And it's turning out that it's not the case. There was one person from California, and even he was actually Asian too. But there was all sorts of people: Peru, France, Germany, Belgium, Korea, just all sorts of different kinds of people of all different ages. And it was really cool to get me, hear where they've been and where they come from. But yeah, I would recommend doing that. It was a lot of fun. I enjoyed it. So I am back home now and I need to relax. I got some stuff getting ready for me at the store. I gotta unpack this stuff and wash off all the bug and sunscreen lotion that's all on me. It's gross. I hate wearing that stuff, but you gotta. All right, it's late. I'm tired. It's nighttime. You guys take care. Peace. Good night.